ClearScore Honest Review. Watch before using. ClearScore is a free credit score and financial management app designed to give users easy access to their credit score and credit report, as well as personalized financial product recommendations. If you're looking to improve your financial health, ClearScore aims to provide a simple, straightforward way to monitor your credit and get insights without any cost. The app is primarily aimed at individuals who want to keep track of their credit score, understand factors affecting it, and explore better credit card, loan, or insurance options based on their credit profile. One of ClearScore's best features is the easy-to-read credit report. It shows you your score and a breakdown of key factors like payment history, credit utilization, and recent hard inquiries. This makes it easy for users to understand what's helping or hurting their score, which is crucial if you're working on improving it. Another valuable feature is the ClearScore timeline, which tracks your credit changes over time, so you can spot trends and measure progress. For those unfamiliar with how credit works, ClearScore also offers educational content that helps explain terms and processes, which is great for beginners. ClearScore also provides personalized offers on credit cards, loans, and other financial products. These recommendations are tailored to your credit profile, which saves you time and increases the likelihood of approval. However, be cautious here. While some offers are useful, not all may be the best financial decision for you, so it's important to do your research beyond ClearScore's suggestions. One drawback is that the credit report updates monthly, so if you're looking for real-time updates or daily tracking, this app may not meet that need. Additionally, the app doesn't offer extensive budgeting or expense tracking features. It's primarily focused on credit health. In conclusion, if you want a free and easy way to monitor your credit score and get personalized financial product offers, ClearScore is a great tool. However, it's not a comprehensive financial management app, so it's best suited for users focused on credit health rather than overall budgeting or investment tracking.